Namaste students, myself Sunil Kumar from the Department of Computer Science. Today we are moving to the next session based on the chapter Logic Gates. Already we discussed the different sessions based on the logic gates. In last session we mainly discussed how to construct a circuit diagram. Based on the basic gates. And today's session we are mainly going to discuss about how to construct the circuit diagram using the universal gates. Before moving to the today's session, today's topic is we have to construct the circuit diagram based on the universal gates. So before that, if you take the gates mainly around two types are there. One is basic gates, one more type is derived gates. Basic gates and also with the derived gates. If you take the basic gates mainly are of NOT gate, OR gate, then AND gate. These are the main three types of basic gates that are available. After that, next type is derived gates. If you are going to take the derived gates, mainly different types of derived gates are available. What are different types of derived gates? One we can write as derived gates. What are different types of derived gates? First one we can write as XOR. XOR is the one type of derived gate. After that, next type will be the XNOR. Then one more type is NAND, and last one is NOR. These are mainly four types of derived gates are available. So basic AND or NOT. Other than that, by using AND or NOT, you can derive these type of gates. These types are one is XOR, XNOR, NAND and NOR gate. In that, NAND and NOR gates are known as universal gates. We take NAND, then NOR gates. Mainly NAND and NOR gates are known as universal gates. What is a universal gate? I already discussed about universal gates in the previous session. What is a universal gate? Universal gate means by using that NAND gate, it's possible to construct all other types of gates. By using only the NAND gate, it's possible to construct all other remaining types of gates. And if you use the only NOR gates, by using NOR gate, it's possible to construct all the remaining types of gates. That is the NOR gate and also with the NAND gate. So first we will discuss what is a logic circuit or what is a symbol for the NOR gate. What is the logic symbol? First we will take the NAND gate. What is the logic symbol for NAND gate? So NAND is combination of AND then NOT gate. This is a logical symbol for NAND gate. Remember, NAND gate is a logical symbol, this one. So it is a combination of AND then NOT gate. Last circle of NOT gate and first part of AND gate is combined together. This part is AND gate. If you take the last part, that is a part of a NOT gate. That two is combined together. That is actually known as NAND gate. If you take input as, if you give as input as X and Y, if you give the input as X and Y, output will be X, Y, whole dash. X and Y is the input means output will be X, Y, whole dash. That is in case of NAND gate. Then if you take the NOR gate, how can you consider the NOR gate? NOR gate can be considered like this. NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and the NOT gate. This is the NOR gate construction. So NOR gate symbol is this one. So if you get the input as X and Y, not only X and Y is possible to give different types of inputs, but I will take here example as X and Y is the input. If you give the X and Y as the input, then output will be X plus Y whole dash. Output will be X plus Y whole dash. All these things we discussed in the previous session or before. If you want any doubt, the logic gates previous parts are there. Logical part 3, part 2. You can go for the part 3 and part 4. Then we will study about what is the universal gates. Mainly in part 3, I discussed what is the universal gates and how to construct the basic gates by using that. So here what we discussed about NAND gate and NOR gate. By using only the NAND gate, it is possible to construct any type of gates, any logical circuits. So last class we discussed about how to construct the gates or circuits using the basic gates. We have to use AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. By using that 3 gate, we are going to construct the basic gates. So we are going to construct the circuit diagram. But here, in the today's session, we are mainly discussing about either NAND, only NAND gate. We are using only NAND gate. By using only the NAND gate, it is possible to construct different types of logic circuit, and also only using the NOR gate it is possible to construct the different types of circuits. So that we are going to discuss in upcoming sessions. Now we will see how to construct the basic gates by using only the NAND gate. I am not going to explain the NOR gate now. NOR gate I will explain later. But we will see how to construct the basic gates. How to construct the basic gates by using only the NAND gate. So if you take the NAND gate, that is known as universal gate. Universal gate means by using NAND gate is possible to construct any other gates. By using only the NAND gate, it is possible to construct any other types of gate. That is actually known as NAND gate. So that is a universal gate. Mainly two types of universal gates are available. One is NAND gate, one is NOR gate. So first, if you use the NAND gate, it is possible to construct NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Not only this gate, it is possible to construct XOR and XNOR. That is also possible. But I am not going to explain that one now. First, better how to construct the NOT gate using the NAND. Whenever NAND gate is given, means how to construct. Already explained how to write diagram. We explained the derivation also, but I just draw the diagram. First, you have to construct the NOT gate. NOT gate using the NAND. How you can construct the NOT gate? Whenever if you go to construct the NOT gate, this is the symbol for NAND gate. Symbol for NAND gate. Two input will be there. It contains two input, but we have to combine both the input. You have to combine, you have to merge the both the input. This is a symbol for NOT gate. This is a symbol for NOT gate. So NOT by NOT gate we are writing like this. NOT gate is like this. You can write the NOT gate. This is a NOT gate. So this is the equivalent to this one. This is equivalent to NOT gate. So only one input, one output will be there. Instead of NOT gate, we can use this NAND gate. Instead of this NOT gate, we can use this NAND gate. So this is equal to the NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate construction of NAND gate. NOT gate construction of the NAND gate. By using only the NAND gate, it is possible to construct the NOT gate. Then how you can construct the AND gate? How you can construct the AND gate? We'll see the next AND gate. How you can construct the AND gate by using the NAND? So if you want to construct the AND gate, the two gates are required. First gate takes two input. First gate takes two input, and next NAND gate, both the inputs are combined like a NOT gate we have to use. This is a circuit diagram for AND gate. This is a circuit diagram for AND gate. This AND gate means you have to use two input and output. Normally, if you have a correct AND gate is like this. This is AND gate. AND gate two input and one output will be there. If you give x and y is the input, output will be x plus x y. And x and y is the input means output will be x y. So like that. So these two gates are equal to one gate. Remember, these two gates. Whenever AND gate is like this, you have to write these two gates together. So you can write like this. So for your understanding, I will write like this. So this is like this. This is an AND gate together. Entire one gate combines two inputs, two gates. If you want to construct AND gate, these two gates are required. In case of that, these two gates are required. That we discussed already. And also the next type, how to construct the OR gate. How to construct the OR gate. Whenever OR gate is given, what's the symbol for OR gate? OR gate symbol is, you can write like this. OR gate symbol, this is the OR gate. This one is OR gate. OR gate is like this, x and y is the input. X and y is the input means output will be x plus y. X plus y is the output. So how to construct this one? If you want to construct this one, the circuit diagram can write that. First, you have to take one NAND gate and one more NAND gate. Two NAND gates are required here. Meaning two NAND gates, both inputs are also converted. Then after that, you have to combine both input and you have to produce output. You have to combine input like this. So this will be the circuit diagram for the OR gate. This is a circuit diagram for OR gate. How to construct the OR gate, how to construct the AND gate, and how to construct the NOT gate. Remember, NOT gate is same, only one gate is required. But if you want to construct the AND gate, these two gates are required. These two gates are required. But then, if you want to construct the OR gate, these three gates are required. These three gates as a single unit. These three gates as a single unit and produce output of x plus y. So if you want to write like this is like this you can write. But you don't. This for only understanding. So this is equal to this one. This three gate is equal to one gate. These three gates equal to one gate. Whenever if you want to construct, whenever if you find the OR gate, then these three gates you should write down. So write down all these types. Just for understanding, this is here like an AND gate. This is like AND gate. So like a AND gate, I write here AND gate. And this one, if you take this one, this will be 1 gate is equal to NOT gate. Is equal to 1 NOT gate. This one. So entire 1 gate is 1 here. But if you take 2 gates, that is equal to 1 gate here. And if you get 3 gates like that, if you connect 3 gates, that is equal to this one. If you connect 3 gates together, that is equal to 1 gate like this. So this is the how to construct the basic circuits. How to construct the basic circuit using only the NAND gate. Using only NAND gate, how to construct these basic gates. Best, first we go to this one, write down this one. Then next I will move to the how to construct the basic circuit, or whenever circuits are given, how to construct the circuit or how to design the circuit only using the basic, only using the NAND gate I'll explain. Before that, write this one in your book, then later understand how to construct that one. Better to write this one first. Now we will move how to construct the circuit by using the only NAND gates. Whenever you are going to construct the NAND gate, first you have to remember, last I told that you have to calculate on that circuit, basic circuits. Whenever basic diagrams are there, how to construct the basic diagram, I told how to construct that one. So that you should write down. Then if you know that one, then only it is possible to construct the circuit diagrams. The first we will move to this one. How to create or how to design a circuit diagram. Here the question is called design the logic circuit for the Boolean expression. One Boolean expression here. For that particular Boolean expression, we have to construct the logic diagram, or we have to construct the circuit diagram. So that is f of xy, two inputs are there, equals to x dash y plus xy dash. X dash y plus xy dash, that is the Boolean expression. For that Boolean expression, we have to construct the circuit diagram. So how we can construct? Before constructing, I will write the question here. What is the question? Question is given that f is equal to x dash y plus xy dash. This is the circuit or Boolean expression. For this Boolean expression, we have to construct the circuit diagram. So before going to construct a circuit diagram using the NAND gate, better by using the basic gates construct the circuit. Then that will be converted, that we can convert easily. First, we have to construct the circuit diagram using only the basic gates. So first, take the basic gates and convert the circuit. So how we can take the basic gates? X y dash, x dash y. First expression is x dash y, then x y dash. Take the basic gates by using only the basic gates and write down. Only using the basic gates. Only using the basic gates. Then I use the NAND gate. NAND gate circuit, I'll write later. NAND gate circuit I'll write later. Before that, first we will move to the basic circuit or basic gates. When the basic gates are there, you know that how to construct the circuit diagram because we discussed how to construct. I already explained in the previous session. In session 5 and 6, we explained the same thing, how to construct the circuit diagram using the basic gates. Remember, we have to apply the priority rule. Which priority given for which operation will be given priority first? You know that one. Whenever brackets are given, so inside the bracket, what is there? That will be performed first. When you are going to perform or when you are going to construct that one, first you have to check the NOT operation, then AND operation, later OR operation. This is the precedency, or we can say it is the priority rule. So like that you have to construct. So what you have to construct here? First you have to construct x dash. X dash, if you use the basic gates, it will be NOT gate. NOT gate. X is the input and x dash is the output. X dash. Next y. Y I take it directly. Y is the one more input. X and y is the input. Then how can construct here? Then AND gate is required. AND gate is required. This part we finished. Go for second part. Take the x is here. You take the x directly. This is x. I can skip here or directly can connect, but certainly like this. X is taken directly. Next one is y dash. Next one is y dash. Next we will go for y dash. How to take the y dash? Y is here. You take the y. Then you have to find the y dash. If you want to find the y dash, NOT gate is required. Y is NOT gate, it's possible to convert y to y dash. So here y dash, after that, and connect the AND gate. So it will be, this is x and this will be the y dash. So output will be x, y dash and the x dash, y. So after you got the output like this, then you have to add these two. Then later you have to add these two together. So when you are going to add these two, here adding means you have to use an OR operation. So you have to use an OR operation. So by using the OR operation, I can combine this by using the OR operation. I can combine. So this is the circuit diagram using only the basic gates. Only using the basic gate, the circuit diagram is finished. After that, this is the first thing. You have to finish the circuit diagram only using the basic gates. After next step, you have to convert that into NAND gate. That is the easiest method. If you know already, you can write, but if you don't know, then better to convert like that. So here, first you have to NOT gate is there. In the place of NOT gate, how to construct the NOT gate using NAND gate? Which symbol is used to convert? See the figure, or if you already written, see that one. How to construct the NOT gate? First is NOT gate is here. I take the first input as X. So same input I will X. X is input. First here which gate is there? NOT gate is there. So NOT gate, how we can construct the NOT gate? How we can construct the NOT gate? When a NOT gate is there, how we can construct that one? NOT gate, you can see the figure. By NAND gate, how we can construct? So how we can construct the NOT gate? So this is the construction of NOT gate. Construction of NOT gate. After that, next step. Next you have to take a Y input. I take one more input Y. One more input Y. So AND gate. Next is AND gate. AND gate. So how you can construct the AND gate using the NAND? Two symbols are required to get. Two symbols. And there are the two symbols here. First one is like this. Two inputs are there. First one is like this. And second one is this one. This one. It's a NOT gate. So it's an AND gate. This till here is finished. Remain part will be because second part is equal for us. Go for second part. In second part, first you should take the X. This is the Y. You take the X. X I take like this. X and Y. Y. If you take it, that's a NOT gate is there. If you take the Y NOT gate is a NOT gate. How you can construct? Write the NOT gate here. NOT gate how you can construct means is a method of constructing NOT gate. Method of constructing the NOT gate. After constructing the NOT gate, next one is AND gate. So how you can construct the AND gate here? How you can construct the AND gate? Same reason for once again. This is for AND gate. This is for AND gate. After constructing the AND gate, what is the next step? What is the next step? The next step is you have to construct the OR gate. How you can construct the OR gate? Already we discussed. How you can construct the OR gate? Two NOT gate, then later one more NAND gate is required. The first part I write this is the first NOT gate, the second NOT gate, and after that one more gate is required. So like this. This is the construction only using the NAND gate. This is the construction only using the NAND gate. See here, which I wrote in yellow, there is only one gate, this gate, NOT gate. This NOT gate, this one. This is a NOT gate. If you get this NOT gate, this is a NOT gate. We know that. The next AND gate is here, AND gate. So if you have to construct the AND gate, these two gates are required. Two NAND gates are required to construct one AND gate. Two NAND gates are required to construct one NAND gate. AND gate. So here two NAND gates are required. These two NAND gates act as one AND gate. These two that will be equal to this one. These two gates are equal to this one gate. Second AND gate. Second AND gate. If you take the second AND gate, so two NAND gates are equal. These two that will be equal to this diagram. This AND gate 2 is required because you have to see the diagram which what we wrote, how to construct the basic gates using the NAND. You see that one first. Same thing. This instead of this one, I wrote these two. Instead of this one, I wrote these two. The circuit created these two. After that, next later OR gate is there. How to construct OR gate? See the figure. See the diagram. We wrote that. How to write the OR gate. How to write the OR gate by using that. So two NOT gate, then we have to combine. See these three. These three gates are equal to this one gate. These three gates, that three gate is one gate that equals to these three. These three gates are required. So that I wrote in different colors, so you easily understand that one. So the first is what? This is NOT gate, this is AND gate, OR gate. So here, this one and this one is NOT gate. Two NOT gates. Here, this one and this one, two NOT gates are there. So this one is NOT gate, this is a NOT gate. And these two, if you take, this is AND gate. These two gates are AND gate, these two gates are AND gate. And finally, these three gates, that three gates act as the OR gate. So this is the construction of basic on circuit using only the NAND gate. So remember here, when you're going to construct, I think you understood this concept. So when you're going to write like this, we have to keep it one thing. We have to know the basic gates, how to construct the basic gates using the NAND. So first, if you take the question, if you got any question, that question should be what is the question is given. And after that, see the construct the same diagram by using only the basic gates. Construct the same diagram by using only the basic gates. Only using the basic gate, construct the particular diagram. After constructing the basic using basic gate, convert that into NAND gate. Convert that using the NAND gate. So here, first you have to construct NOT gate, everything. Everything should construct. After constructing everything, then convert same thing using the NAND gate, only NAND gate by using the figures. So you know how to construct AND gate, how to construct OR gate, and how to construct NOT gate by using only the NAND gate. You know that one. By using that one, you can convert like this. By using that one, you can convert like this. So here, first same thing NOT gate is written. Then if you take the and which the but the two gates are required, that two gates you should write down here. Then if you go for AND gate, one more AND gate is there, that you will also write down. Then OR gate, but this is a circuit diagram. But if you write a circuit diagram like this, then later on it's possible to reduce the figures. Or whenever if you write like this, it's possible to reduce. So if you normally, this is the one input. Then if you connect two NOT gate together, what is the output? So just see that. If you connect two NOT gate together, what is the output? X is the input, this will be X dash. X dash is the output. So X dash is the given input, means output will be the X. Right. If you give the input as X, output will be the X. Here, two NOT gate if you connect together, it is possible to delete two NOT gate. No need, this no need, because if you give the input as X, output will be X dash inverted. If you output for this one, you give the input as X dash, so output will be inverted of that one. What's the output of that one? X. So without using this one, if you connect it like this X is the input, means output of X. So there is no use of that two gates. Normally, in case of any circuit diagram, if you connected two NOT gate together, that both also can be cancelled. So here, this is diagram. This is a one NOT gate, this is also one NOT gate. See here, this is one NOT gate, this is one more NOT gate. That is possible to delete. No need to use of these two gates. This NOT gate is not required, this NOT gate also not required. So we can directly connect like this. Possible to connect like this. Whenever if you go use the two NOT gate together, using the NAND or using the NOR, whatever it is. If you connect two NOT gate together, that is equal. There is no use of that two NOT gates. So output is inverted. Once again, output is inverted means it is same as input. Output will be the same as input. Here output will be this output the same as input. So if you are not using that also, the output will be same. So here also same thing. Two NOT gates are used. Two NOT gates are used. So it is possible to cancel these two NOT gates. These two NOT gates. Whenever two NOT gates are used together in the same line. It is same. This is not possible to delete two NOT gates because that is not in the same line. In a sequence should be there. Whenever the two NOT gates are in a sequence, then it is possible to delete both the NOT gate. Both the NOT gate can be deleted by using the circuit or by using this concept. In the circuit, it is possible to delete. So I think you understood how to delete that. So final diagram today will be this much. So final diagram different, right? I will reduce the total length of the diagram. So I can write the diagram like this. The final circuit you can write like this. So final circuit. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 circuits. 5. This one is used. But if you wrote like this, but you will never understand how you can convert. First you have to convert by using if you write that way, this is not good, this is not good. This is AND gate. It's not AND gate. Okay? It's not AND gate. AND gate means one more NOT is required. So that is not possible to understand like that. First you have to convert. Later is possible. Then it's possible to reduce. That is not based on it's not possible to delete from all the questions, but based on some questions or based on some circuit, it's possible to delete the number of NOT gate. That is possible. Not in all the circuits. So this is the final diagram of the NAND circuit, or you can say the expression X dash y plus X y dash is the final circuit for that one. So by here we reach the end of session today. In the session mainly discussed what is universal gates, and in that NAND and NOR gates are there. Two NAND and NOR gates are known as universal gates, and how to construct the basic gates by using the NAND gate, and also how to construct the circuit diagram. So in this part we mainly get the question, construct the circuit diagram based on the NAND gates. You will get the question like that. This type of question you are getting. So whenever you got the question, so better to write this one. So there is no confusion. If you are without writing this one, it's possible to write. If you know that one, directly you can write. But if you use this one, this will be easy. There is no mistake in that. So first we have to convert the circuit using the basic gates. First you have to write the circuit using the basic gates. Later on, it's possible to convert that circuit using the NAND gates. So by here, I will wind up my today's session. Thank you.